Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of you dropshippers out there have been asking: is Spocket actually profitable? Now, Spocket's been making a name for itself as a dropshipping app, promising a seamless way to integrate products into your online store. But with all the hype, it's natural to wonder if it translates to real profit. So, throughout this video, we'll be dissecting Spocket, exploring its pros and cons, and ultimately helping you decide if it's the right fit for your dropshipping journey. Finding success with Spocket. Let's start with the good stuff. Spocket boasts several features that can be undeniably beneficial for dropshippers. Firstly, convenience is king. Spocket integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing you to find and add products to your store in just a few clicks. This saves a ton of time compared to manually searching for suppliers and uploading product information. Secondly, Spocket focuses on US and EU suppliers, which means faster shipping times for your customers. This is a major advantage, especially when competing against dropshippers using suppliers from overseas. Thirdly, Spocket offers inventory management features. You can track stock levels and receive automatic notifications when products are running low. This helps avoid those dreaded situations where a customer orders an out-of-stock item, leading to frustration and potential bad reviews. Finally, Spocket prides itself on user-friendly pricing plans. They offer a free plan with limited features, but their paid plans are generally considered affordable, especially for beginner dropshippers. The other side of the coin. However, it wouldn't be a fair assessment without acknowledging some potential drawbacks to using Spocket. One major concern is profit margins. Spocket suppliers typically set their own prices, which can sometimes be quite high. This means you might have to set higher prices for your products, potentially impacting your competitiveness. Here's the math: if the price you pay to the supplier is too close to the retail price you want to sell at, your profit margin shrinks dramatically. Ideally, you want a healthy markup to cover your store's expenses and generate a good profit. Another potential downside is limited product control. Since you're relying on third-party suppliers, you have less control over product quality, descriptions, and branding. This can be a challenge if you're aiming to build a strong brand identity for your store. Finally, Spocket's free plan has significant limitations. You can only add a small number of products to your store, which restricts your ability to experiment and find profitable niches. So, is Spocket right for you? Ultimately, whether Spocket is profitable for you depends on your dropshipping strategy and goals. Here are some things to consider. Product niche. If you're targeting a niche with high profit margins, Spocket might still be a good option despite potentially higher supplier costs. Pricing strategy. Are you comfortable setting competitive prices with slightly lower profit margins? Store growth. Do you plan on scaling your store with a wider product range? If so, the free plan's limitations might become a hurdle. Alternatives to consider. It's always wise to explore your options. Here are a few alternatives to Spocket. cjdropshipping offers a wider range of suppliers, potentially with lower prices, but the interface can be less user-friendly. Doba, similar to Spocket in terms of features and pricing, but with a smaller supplier base. Spocketaholic, Chrome extension, a free tool that helps you find Spocket suppliers with better profit margins. The final verdict. Spocket can be a valuable tool for dropshippers, especially beginners, thanks to its user-friendliness and convenience. However, profit margins and limited control over products are crucial factors to consider. By carefully evaluating your dropshipping goals and exploring alternative options, you can make an informed decision about whether Spocket is the right fit for building your profitable dropshipping business. Remember, success in dropshipping requires effort, research, and a strategic approach. Spocket can be a part of that strategy, but it's not a magic bullet. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more dropshipping tips and tricks. Until next time, happy selling.